Hi KMS Style community, my name is Riem and today I'm going to do a wash and go on myself. I will sit down and divide my hair in small sections and apply the new KMS CURLUP Twisting Style Balm. This will be my first layer because I want to seal the moisture into my hair and I want to make sure that my hair is nourished. We have two special ingredients in this little wonder, castor oil and shea butter. Both are known for intensive moisture giving, but also for sealing the moisture into my hair. But before I talk more, I would love to show you how I do my wash and go. I hope you liked this video. Check out our other videos on the KMS Pro YouTube channel.